Welcome to Chapter 9, Lesson 8. Hands-on, model fractions and multiplication. So, new skill, multiplying fractions. You have learned to write a fraction as a sum of unit fractions. For example, you know that 4/5 is really 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. Sum means add. You can also write a fraction as a multiple, which means multiply, of a unit fraction. Okay, so we're going to use multiplication. Use an equation. Equation means equal. To write 4/5 as a multiple of a unit fraction. Remember, a unit fraction means 1 in the numerator. Okay, like 1/5. Or 1/6, or 1/7, or 1/3. Okay? So, model 4/5 using fraction tiles. So, and it says draw your results below. So for me, I'm just going to do 1/5. 1/5, 1/5. How many 1/5 tiles did you use? Well, there was 4 of them, right? 4. So I used 4. You know that 4/5 equals 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. How many times is 1/5 added to 4/5? Well, there's 4 of them. So here's where the multiplication comes in. 4/5 equals 4 times 1/5. How many times did we do it? We did it 4 times. Times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4. 4/5. So 4 times 1/5 is 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. Okay. You know that 6 is a multiple of 2. Any multiples of 6, such as 12, 18, and 24, are multiples of 2. The same is true for fractions. A multiple of a fraction can also be written as a multiple of the unit fraction. So what do they mean? Use an equation to write 2 times 4/5 as a multiple of a unit fraction. So the unit fraction would be 1/5. 1/5. So we could do repeated addition. So 4/5 plus 4/5 is 8/5. And do it 2 times 4/5. So 4/5 and 4/5. So model 8/5 using fraction tiles. So I would have 4/5 right? My 1/5 tiles. Just like I had on the back, right? Or on the front. This was my 4/5. But I want to multiply it times 2, so I need to duplicate this into a second row. So I now have 2 sets, or times 2 of it. Right? Because this was 4/5, and now I have 2 of them. And together, that equals 8/5. So now I would have 8 of these pieces. How many 1/5 tiles did you use? Well, I would need to use 8. So 8/5 is a multiple of 4/5. It's also a multiple of 1/5. So instead of doing 2 times 4/5, I could have just write 8 times 1/5. Write an equation showing that 8/5 is a multiple of the unit fraction 1/5. So 8/5 equals 8 1/5 tiles. So 2 times 4/5 is the same as 8 times 1/5. Because again, I have my 4 fraction tiles, and I'm duplicating it. I want 2 times of it. Okay? So we'll get into the examples during class. And today I'm going to draw a lion. Uh-oh. It's not really looking like a lion. I think I need to take some art classes. There's his nose. Man, that does not look like a lion at all. How do you draw a lion? Maybe I'll start going to art class with you guys. All right, see you in class.